Hi, during the fourth day of 12 days of OpenAI, they announced using OpenAI Canvas to edit and run Python code. So in this video, I want to show you how to get started using ChatGPT Canvas to run and edit Python code. We're going to use the web version of ChatGPT, so let's get started. In the new version of ChatGPT, you have noticed here in the message composer, we have all these icons. To use Canvas, you can click View Tools and select the option Canvas, collaborate on writing and code. If we click this option, it will open the canvas for writing and editing code. Another way to use the canvas for writing Python code is to use a prompt. Let's put, for example, write a Python code with Canvas. I just want to show you just a basic example. So let's print the emoji dictionary and run the code by going to the top right. So you have seen here that ran successfully in the console. As I told you before, we can now go ahead and edit the code. For example, if we want to add another emoji here, we can also select everything and add comments to some parts of the code by clicking this icon. Another way to add comments to the code is to go to the message composer and write add comments. This is just a basic example, but you have now seen it was able to add the comments. So this is how to get started with ChatGPT Canvas for editing and running Python code.